The fire detection robot was amazing indeed. The moving car sensed the fire and immediately went a different direction. Following its success, welcome to the 7th episode of DIY Robotics under What's Your Hobby? We have made 3 robots with the metal chassis basic structure. Now it's time to switch towards the robots made with wooden chassis. In today's episode, we'll make the basic structure on wooden chassis. Let's head out straight to the making process. Let me remind you the materials needed to make the basic structure. First of all, we'll need the wooden chassis. Then comes the Arduino Uno board. After that is the motor driver circuit. Following that, we need 2 motors for both the wheels and 2 wheels as well. Then comes the 2 batteries. Then we'll need double tapes, nuts, screws and bolts, this USB cable to connect the computer to the Arduino board, the caster wheel, the screwdriver, and then the jumper wires. These are all the things required to make the basic structure. So let's get into the process of making the structure. First things first, let us attach the motor to the chassis board. For these, we need such clips. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, one of the motors has been fixed properly. I have fixed the other motor similarly. Now it's time to attach the wheels. So you see the wheels are fixed as well. I have both of my wheels set up. Now it's time for the caster wheel. So let us fix the caster wheel in its place. For this, I'll use a double tape. The fixing of the caster wheel is complete. It's time to fix the Arduino Uno board and the motor driver circuit. So for this, again we'll use double tapes. Now the wires of the motor will be connected to the motor driver circuit. You already know the process by seeing the previous video. So the wires are fixed to the motor driver circuit. As you can see, I have attached the wires of the other motor as well. Now it's time to fix the batteries. Here I have fixed another battery, so this battery will give power to the motor driver circuit and the motors, and this battery will give power to the Arduino board. Now we need the battery caps. So this end of the wire should be connected to the motor driver circuit. You see, this is fixed. Now we have another type of battery cap for the Arduino board. So for this, we need to fix this battery, and so see, this Arduino board lights up, which shows that the battery is giving proper power to the board. So friends, this is how we can make the basic structure on a wooden chassis. Our basic structure on wooden chassis is ready now. In my next video, I'll show you how to make a voice controlled robot. I know it got all of you excited, so don't miss the next episode. Try making all these robots at your home. You will just need to log in to the Sparklebox website and order their DIY robotics kit 1 and 2. The link is given in the description box below. That's all for today. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.